Hello and welcome back to MarineMax, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to be walking through the Aviara 28-foot Surf. This is going to be a 28-foot bow rider with the surf capabilities. Back here in the back you'll have a nice swim platform and sun pad station. This will be powered by a Mercury 350 horsepower and have the Bravo 4 reverse drive. So this boat will have surf tabs. You will have the reverse facing drive, so the prop will be tucked up underneath the boat. That helps you with your navigation at slow speeds. Your prop is going to be closer to your center of turning, so you can turn the boats and maneuver them a lot easier than a traditional surf boat. Here in the cockpit, you're going to have tons of seating. One thing that they've done is given you plenty of storage up underneath the seats. We have the cockpit covers right now in here, but you'll have more storage, heaters, and a built-in drain system. Here in the back, you will have access to your power tower. So this will be a one-stop shop. You undo both of the latches here in the cockpit and then go onto your transom, and you have the rocker switch to lower the tower. As we move towards the bow, you will have the helm station here. So you're going to have your digital shift Mercury switch. You're going to have a digital SIMRAD, and off to the right will be your systems control on board. This will give you all of your access points. Here in the cockpit, you'll also have a nice deep head compartment. Both your seats at the helm will flip over as well, so you can have them as your entertainment space or turn them around to have access to the rest of the boat. Then here in the bow, you will have a nice deep seating section, so that way you feel nice and safe when you're up in the bow of the boat. It's going to be plenty high to have some space, and then behind both seats you will have some grab handles on board, as well as some cup holders, USB ports. You'll have a windlass anchor system, as well as a ton of other amazing options that we've selected on this boat. We'd love to have you out to show you this boat in person, so call me today to set up your appointment.